All right, so the last kind of thing we're going to do is kind of talk about placing numbers in categories. This is where a lot of kids get stuck because they think, oh, it's going to go in one category. Well, remember looking at our notes, we had, for whole numbers, we had the number 1 in more than one category. So we're going to go through and place these numbers in more than one category. Okay, so let's start with whole numbers. We talked about whole numbers are just regular, they're natural numbers with 0. So that's going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So those numbers are going to be positive. So we're going to write all the positive numbers down in whole numbers. So that's going to be 14, 37, 88, 400, 3, 26, and 0. So that's our category for whole numbers. Okay, next is going to be integers. So integers are whole numbers. So all of these numbers that we just did, so 14, 37, 88, 400, 3, 26, and 0. Okay, so we talked about they're all whole numbers, so that's why we put all these numbers in integers, and integers are their opposites. So opposite of positive numbers are going to be our negative numbers. So all of our negative numbers are going to go in there as well. So that's going to be -9, -11, -21, -6, -92, -7, -1, -3. Oop, not -3, there's not -3 on there. And -62. There we go. So again, whole numbers are positive numbers and 0. Integers are positive numbers and negative numbers and 0. So that's why we have all negative and positive numbers. So our final category is our rational numbers. Well, if it's a whole number and if it's an integer, it's also going to be rational. So all of these numbers that we just wrote down in integers are also going to go on the outside for rational. So -9, 14, -11, -21, 37, 88, -6, -92, -7, 400, -1, 3, 26, 0, -62. So again, a lot of these numbers are going to go in more than one category. So for your homework today, you're going to have a page where you're going to check off boxes and circle things. Okay, so again, these are going to go in more than one category. So what I want you to do is you're going to put a check mark where they fit in. So again, if it's a whole number, it's going to be an integer and it's going to be rational. So you're going to have more than one check. But if it's an integer, you're not going to have anything for a whole number, but you will have an integer and you will have it for a rational number. Okay? So if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.